In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide page title in WordPress. If your theme shows a large page title you don't want, maybe because you've designed a custom hero section or your builder already adds a heading, this quick method will clean up the layout without touching code. Start on your WordPress dashboard. In the left sidebar, open the Plugins menu and choose Add New. You'll need an account with permission to install plugins. On the Add Plugins screen, use the search bar in the top right and type Hide Page and Post Title, or a similar option like Title Remover. You'll likely see several results. Pick a lightweight plugin with recent updates and solid reviews, and make sure it says it's compatible with your version of WordPress. That helps avoid conflicts with your theme or page builder. Click Install. Now, wait for it to complete, then click Activate. Activation turns the plugin on, so its options appear in your editor. If you ever change your mind later, you can deactivate it from the plugins list without losing your content. Next, edit the specific page where you want the title hidden. Go to Pages, then All Pages. Hover over the page name and choose Edit. You can also use the Edit Page link from the front end if your toolbar is visible. Whether you use the block editor or the classic editor, the idea is the same. Inside the editor, look to the sidebar or below the content area for a new option the plugin adds. It's usually a simple checkbox labeled Hide the title for this item, or wording very close to that. This control only affects the current page, so you can keep titles on some pages and hide them on others. Enable that checkbox to hide the page title visually. The actual title field remains intact behind the scenes, which is good for search engines, breadcrumbs, and your admin lists. You're not deleting the title, you're just not displaying it on the front end. Update or save your page, then preview it. If you still see the title, clear any caching you're using and refresh. Some themes place titles in custom locations, so the options position may vary slightly, but it should be visible in the sidebar or as a meta box. If you don't see it, confirm the plugin is active and compatible with your theme or builder. That's it. Install the plugin, activate it, edit your page, and use the new checkbox to hide the title cleanly and reversibly.